Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about how to download your BYBIT into your PC or your laptops. So you all know it's an application that cannot be downloaded on your laptops, but there's another way you can actually do so. So right here I am in my MacBook, so usually this would work for a MacBook, so I don't know if this would work for Windows. It's Google Chrome. So all you have to do is go to bybit.com as usual, sign in, and then right here you have this button in the top right corner that says share, and then all you have to do is add it to your dock right here and then add. So it's gonna be on your dock basically, and right here you're gonna have Bybit ready as a web application, but not specifically an application. But it's gonna function as the same way as your application since it's only a web application. So you can also do this with many other websites that you can do, so such as Twitter. You can download Twitter on your laptops, but I have Twitter right here. So it's just that simple. So that's what I would do right here when you cannot download your Bybit on your laptops basically. Same with Google Chrome. I think they have that function where you go share it and you'll be able to dock it basically in your Windows PC. So there you go guys, that is how you do it, and there you go.